Decimated all of my taste buds on the hottest tea known to mankind. I think that was pure molten lava. Bugger. Hi. We're going on another little micro adventure, but this time I'm joined with my friend. She is in the car behind me, not that you can see her because she's quite far back at the moment. We are heading up into North Wales onto the Llyn Peninsula. We're staying at an eco campsite, which I haven't stayed at an eco campsite since I was probably about 13. We're doing a car camp. I'm excited. I have majorly overpacked. So I pulled out this book called The Lost Bookshop, and I think I have maybe like an hour or two left of audiobook time on Spotify this month, so my plan is to try and listen to some of that. I'm gonna go get coffee. Bye.
Action! Oh, I've got some ducks yesterday. I brought orange squash.
Nice.
Brought a rock log.
And we're making tea to take on a walk, rather than biscuits to brew. Yum. Where is it? It's just disappeared. Come back. There it is, by the mountain. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Go on, do something cool. Oh, hello.
There's a cat coming.
Hi. Hello. Oh my god.
Take several thousand pictures.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hi.
Look at your little white toes. Oh my god.
Where are you? Have you got white toes? Oh. Look at this little mushroom. Oh, look at those gills.
Everywhere. It was absolutely mental.
Yeah, they aren't the best. This mountain looks like a boob. Ooh, the duvets. Plonk it in. Yum.
You're determined. Right, I'm gonna go do this the way. I'm not sure what his middle name is. Peter, maybe? Patrick, Paul?
Yeah. It's not too cold actually, it's about 12 degrees. It's really rainy. And it's like proper overcast as well. I think that will do for now.
Look good to me, flailing around everywhere.
I'm trying to make llama patterns with my hands. Huh? These are my window colours. I made them out of old plastic. They are not perfect, but they are close enough that it just covers out people peeping in through the back window. These pyjama trousers that I bought do not come all the way down. It's like, look at this ankle. I don't want my ankles out. Ugh. I just woke up because I heard my phone buzz. There's a sunrise.
Tall white house with an empty room, and your name carved over the door. Facing out to the tallest view from your place on the second floor.
Is it gonna whistle?
Into this.
I'll go for a stab. Little guy.
Oh yeah, before someone comes.
Wow, this is a beautiful feather. It does look like Venom's face.
If you wanna meet me, come on down. If you wanna see me on the town, I will bring the sum of my mistakes, and you will bring a smile right to my face. How am I gonna find you in the crowd? You're gonna wear an outfit that's so damn loud. You could put the peacocks all to shame. I'll try to find a shirt that's got no stain.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Your window shopping down the lane. Me, I'm always singing in the rain. Someone threw a kiss off the balcony. Someone else has bent it on one knee. Why don't we go drink up all these lights? There's no place that I'd rather be tonight. There's an angel up here in a small cafe. You make me feel like I might float